Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set screen lock into pin on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, scroll down and go to security and location. Okay, tap this. In security and location, okay, and device security section, you can see the screen lock. And okay guys, the screen lock is set into none. And okay guys, to set into pin the screen lock, okay, you'll have to do is tap the screen lock. And you can see the option, okay, you can see the pin. You'll have to do is tap the pin. And now you can set the screen lock pin. And okay guys, after you set a screen lock pin, okay, tap the next button. And re-enter your pin. And after you re-enter your pin, tap the OK button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set the screen lock into pin in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, after that, tap the done button below. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set screen lock into pin on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.